and see a home video from me if you may, and plus subscribe. If you like it, I'll make more movies about my YouTube. Bye. Plus, I'll just make a movie that's actually going to be on YouTube. It will be a good one. I think you'll like. It's called Night of the Museum. Smith Mim. Also called Battle of the Museum.
Bye-bye.
Bye, but I'm going to go to some more. So look. Can you see nature? Go over there. Can you see Scooter? Go over there. But first, see nature. Plus, recycle.